Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the camera on Google Chrome step by step. This can be helpful if you have more than one camera connected and want to switch to a different one for video calls or online meetings. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser, then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you see the Permissions section, then click on Camera. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu with a list of available cameras. Click the drop-down and select the camera you want to use by default. And that's it. Now you know how to change the default camera on Google Chrome, and also how to set a different one for specific sites. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.